So we all learnt about integrity, am I right? How many of you have completed the Swapurnatva, completion with yourself? Raise your hand. So now, we will go to the next step of the program. Second Tattva, authenticity. ध्यान से सुनिए, please listen. Authenticity. Listen, I'm going to define. Authenticity. To understand authenticity, you need to understand few things. Listen. To understand authenticity, you need to understand few things. I am giving you the diagram. This is your body. For most of it, it's like this only. No, unshaped. It's all there, put together in one bag, which you call as your dress. This is your body. Inside your, this is your boundary. Understand? This is the boundary. Inside your body, what do you think as you is inner image. Listen. For example, you think, I'm a coward. I don't have courage at all. Sometimes you think, I'll act as if I'm courageous. It's okay. Or sometimes you think, so many different ideas. Sometimes it changes. But there are some thought currents permanently you hold. Continuously you hold. Sometimes you think you are very graceful, handsome, beautiful. Sometimes you think, who will see me? Each one of you have a different thought currents about you. There are some thought currents you hold continuously. Whatever I touch is not succeeding at all. It's not progressing at all. So many ideas you carry. Can I have an example? Anyone? Now you tell me, what do you think about you, inside you? You don't need to reveal everything, just few ideas. Huh? Yes. Mike. Yes.
Weak.
Weak. Okay. Anything else?
That what? Weak, not healthy.
Not
healthy.
Not healthy. Okay. Now, how you project yourself to others. There are so many. All these so many people. How you project yourself to others. Give me some pattern, some way you project yourself to others. Tell me.
Strong.
Strong. Then?
More healthy.
More healthy. Then?
Courageous.
Courageous. Then? All of you are able to understand what I wrote? Please bear with my handwriting. Especially after these computers have come, unfortunately, our generation, I'm a young generation, so. Hey, come on. See, in the young age, when there was no computer, I never wrote or read. I never went to school properly, never listened, never studied. When I started studying properly, the computers have come. No, only after I started my public life, my Sangha, I started reading, learning, all that properly. I used to go to school. Somehow I'll pass also, but I will not know any syllabus. So, bear with my handwriting. You guys are able to read at least? Okay. Anything else?
Punctual.
Punctual. This is the way you will project. Huh?
Yeah.
That's all. So how you project yourself to others, this is called outer image. Okay? Outer image, inner image, outer image, and how others expect you in their life. Listen, people don't believe as you project you to them. How many of you understand it? When somebody projects themselves, do you really believe what they project? When you don't believe, how do you expect they should believe what you project? When you are so intelligent, no, this fellow is telling stories, I am not going to believe. When you don't believe, how do you expect that they should believe whatever you project? No, they won't. So, listen, they will have their own expectation about you. Listen, this expectation also directly they will never tell you. They will tell your close friend and take a promise from your friend, you will not tell him. They will tell your close friend and they will take the promise from your friend that your friend will not tell you.
Yes, sorry.
Because they know if you take the promise, immediately he will come and tell you.
Yes.
See, I should not tell you, I have given a promise, but you are more close to me than any of my promise, so I am telling you. How many of you had this kind of conversation? Tell me. Come on, raise the hand, let me see. So, understand? So, tell me, like that, others' expectations towards you.
They will ask me that, weak.
Huh?
Are you weak?
No, others, what they expect from you.
Boast.
Not what they perceive you, what they expect from you.
Strong. I must act, I must do things strongly.
So big things they expect from you.
Yes, sir.
Strongly. Then?
More courageous.
Courageous. You should do more courageous things. Am I right?
Yes.
Then?
Stretch more. Some.
Okay. Stretch more. Then? That's all.
Yes.
Okay. Listen. Now what others expect towards you, it is called others' image. Others' image. Stretch more. So please understand, I am giving you 3 words, technical terms. You can go, ma.
Yes,
Thank you.
you.
Inner image, outer image, others image. How many of you are able to cognize what I say? These 3 idea. Relax. How many of you are not able to cognize? So that I will repeat. I will repeat for you. Please listen. Yes. Huh? That you wanted to understand. You see, what you feel about you is inner image. What you project yourself to others, outer image. What others expect from you. What others want from you. That is others' image. It is based on your projection and their own assumption, how much your projection is true, false, and all that. Okay? All of you are getting it? Inner image. What you perceive as you. Outer image. What you project you to others. Others' image. Please listen. Others' image. What others expect from you. What others hold for you. How others hold for you. How many of you are not able to cognize till now in these 3? Everyone is able to cognize? Authenticity is, listen, please listen, drop your paper, pen and everything, listen. Authenticity is being in the peak of all these 3, means constantly expanding and creating better and better inner image for you. By declaration, by completion with yourself.